going to be working on page 89. Make sure you've tried all of these before that you've come to check your work. And if you're here to just figure out one problem, make sure you check the other ones as well. So number one, write a division number story that has an answer of 3/5. That means we're sharing something 5 ways. So 5 friends share what? They could share something. What are they going to share? So think about it. You're going to fill in that blank. 5 friends share 3 blank. What are they going to share? Each friend will get 3/5 of blank. So just an example here. So if I say 3 bags of chips, how much will each friend get? I'd have to divide the bags of chips into fifths. So 1, 2. And they're going to get 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So each friend would get 3/5. So fill in the missing digits. A lot of us get tripped up because of the boxes and the numbers. Just do the work here as if there's nothing there. So first we need to estimate 414 is close to 400. And here I'm going to say 77 is close to 80. 8 times 4 is 32. Add on 1, 2, 3 zeros. My product needs to be close to 32,000. So 4 times 7 is 28. The 8's already there, so I'm going to put the 2 here. Now 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9, and then 4 times 7 is 28. The 8's already there. Placeholder is 0, which is there. 7 times 4 again is 28, so the 8 goes here, the 2 goes up. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 7 times 4 is 28, which is done for me. Now we're going to just add up. 7, we would regroup here, and then this would be 18. Make sure we regroup. This would be 11. Make sure we regroup the whole way. Our product is 31,878, which is very close to 32,000. Write each number in standard or exponential notation. So we have exponential notation and standard notation in the back of our book here. And exponential notation is this one down here, and that's actually the one I'm going to use. Oh my goodness. For the ones that are shown in standard form, and then when I see it in exponential form, I'm going to write it in standard form. So 10 to the power of 3 in standard form is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. Now 10,000 is 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. I can double check here in the back of my book for 10,000, and it is 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 5, check in the back of my book, is 100,000. So really use your resources where you can. 10 to the power of 6 is, 1 million is 10 to the power of 6. Can double check in the back of my book. Now the next one is 10 to the power of 8. So if we think about this, 10 to the power of 7 would be 10 million. 10 to the power of 8 would be 100 million. So almost a billion. But still 10 times away. So how many 8s are in 72? This is just a division problem right there. So 72 divided by 8 is 9. Now we're going to have some more division. How many 800s are in 72,000? I'm going to cross off 1, 2 zeros here, and cross off 2 zeros here. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 1 0 left, 90. So there are 90 800s in 72,000. How many 5s are in 450,000? So I'm going to ignore my zeros. I can't cross them off, but they're going to remain. So I'm going to have 3 zeros remaining. 45 divided by 5 is 9, so 90,000. Now here I have 3 zeros and 3 zeros, so cross them off. Placeholder 0. 27 divided by 3 is 9, so there are 93,270,000. Interesting way to look at things. Cross off one zero, cross off another. 63 divided by 9 is 7. I have 2 zeros, add them back on for 7,000. Find the volume of the shipping container. Remember, volume is length times width times height. You want to do it in an order that's easy for you to do, because when we multiply, order doesn't matter as long as the only thing we're doing is multiplying. I'm going to do 8 times 8 first, then multiply by 20. 8 times 8 is 64. I can ignore that 0 for 20. Now multiply by 2. 128. Add the 0 for 1,280. Now place the fractions on the number line. So these are all 3 as a denominator. So I'm going to first label these in thirds. I know 1 is 3 over 3. I know 2 is 6 over 3. Now I have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, and 5/3. So we're going to label them all. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, and 5/3.